What's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm not working on a daggone thing, at least right now. I was working on an '09 Cadillac CTS and I was putting a transmission in it, and I got to a point to where I was like, hold on a second, this is a crappy ass design. So you guessed it, in this video, I'm gonna show you a crappy ass design on an '09 Cadillac CTS that is not only a poor design, but it costs you, the consumer, a lot of money if you have to have these repairs done. Check it out. So there's the transmission right there. Let me show you what you have to do to get it out. Book time on this thing is, I think it was like 9.5 hours, 8 hours, 8.5, somewhere up there. I don't really remember right this minute, but I got to thinking about it. You know, to me that was kind of excessive, 9 hours to pull a transmission, but anyway, I went with it. I started on it and I got 98% of the transmission out, and I'm going, bam, here's the other 6 hours worth of BS. Right here is a thermostat housing, and there's one bolt right here. One bolt. I have taken every bolt out, including the 6 torque converter bolts, which on why there's 6 torque converter bolts, I have no idea, out. And I could not get it out. Well, I couldn't see that bolt because right here, there's a water line right here. And that water line goes right in front of that one bolt. And in order to get it out, you have to remove the thermostat housing, lift it out of the way to get that one bolt. Here's where all the hours come in at, and the excessive waste of money. Check this out. The reason why the hood and the front end's off the car, it came in initially for a front end wreck, but while I was here, he wanted me to put a transmission in. So the guys, while I'm waiting on parts, I went ahead and started the transmission job. But back to my story, in order to get that housing off, I had to remove the wiper arms, the wiper transmission, the upper cowl here, and part of the air filter system that goes right here, that your fresh air filter goes in. Now the engine's cocked down this way as of right now because there's no transmission in it, but the transmission, when it's in it, by removing all that, it's about this high up, and you're able to get to all those bolts. Let's see if I can get you a better view on this side. A little bit, not much, but all the bolts are right here. Here's your housing. Once you remove that housing, you're able to move that line far enough to get that last bolt out. You can't tell me with all the money that these engineers get paid, they could not come up with a better design. By that one bolt being right there and by having to do all this, you've added an extra 2.5 hours of labor just to get one bolt. One bolt, 2.5 hours labor. Now, I'm probably gonna get some people who watch this video and they're gonna say, well, I can do it without removing that housing. I'm probably gonna say bullcrap because that line is this close to that bolt. I need to see video proof. Yeah, you can jackleg it in the backyard if you want, but that's not how we do it. But you can see how just that poor design can cost the consumer money. All right, that's it for this rant. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to leave me a comment if you're working on something and it's just a piss poor design that costs you extra time to do whatever it is you're doing. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later.